सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः। स्वागतं तत्र। अद्य अस्माकं कक्षा संख्या वर्तते 443 कक्षा 346th क्लास टुडे। यथा जानन्ति भवन्तः सर्वे सहृदयाः संस्कृतप्रियाः सुहृदः। अस्माभिः विदुरनीतिशतकमिति एकं पुस्तकं स्वीकृत्य पठ्यमानमस्ति। अस्माभिः विदुरनीतिशतके एतावत्पर्यन्तं 84 श्लोकाः समाप्ताः। 84 श्लोकैः सह भवन्तः जानन्ति अनेकाः श्लोकाः, नैके श्लोकाः अपि पठिताः अस्माभिः। सम्बद्धाः श्लोकाः इति कृत्वा बहवः श्लोकाः अस्माभिः पठिताः सन्ति। अद्य तु 85तमं श्लोकं श्लोकपठनात् पूर्वं तत्र 84 श्लोकस्य सम्बद्धेषु श्लोकेषु 2 श्लोकौ गतकक्षायां पठितौ आस्तां, 2 शेषौ स्तः। अधुना शेषौ 2 श्लोकौ पठित्वा अग्रे सरामः। विल फिनिश द रिमेनिंग 2 poems of the 4 related poems of the 84th stanza poem of Viduraniti Shataka. As you all know, we have done in the previous class 2 related poems, and the remaining 2 related poems are to be finished today. Srinivas, you can do it.
Third answer.
Yeah.
Araihi
samdharyate नाभिर्नाभौ चाराः प्रतिष्ठिताः
स्वामी सेवकयोरेवं वृत्तिचक्रं प्रवर्तते।
सुभाषित रत्न भाण्डागारात् चितः स्वीकृतः अयं श्लोकः कथयति। एवमेव तत्र सम्बद्धः श्लोकः वर्तते। विषयं तु भवन्तः जानन्ति। भृत्यवात्सल्यं, भृत्येषु स्वामिनः वात्सल्यं कथं कीदृशं वा भवेत् इति तत्र विषयः। पदच्छेदः संधार्यते न नाभिः इति, न अभि इति, न नाभिः, नाभौ प्रतिष्ठिता संधि नास्ति देर्। सेवकयोः, देर् यु ब्रेक्, स्वामी सेवकयोः एवं प्रवर्तते। संधि द्वयमेव अत्र अस्ति। एकः संधिः नाभिः इति, नाभिः नाभौ, नाभिर्नाभौ। नाभि शब्दः इकारान्त पुल्लिंग शब्दः वर्तते। सो विसर्ग संधि इस् देर्। सेकंड संधि इस् देर्, द्वितीय संधि स्वामी सेवकयोः एवं, पुनः विसर्ग संधि, विसर्गस्य रेफादेशः। स्वामी सेवकयोः एवं वृत्तिचक्रं प्रवर्तते। अयं श्लोकः एवं पाठयति अस्मान्। नाभिः अरैः संधार्यते। नाभिः नाम the hub of a wheel, wheel's hub of a wheel, navi, because it is in the center of the wheel, so it is called navi. Nabihi araihi samdharyate. The hub of a wheel is held together because of the ara means spokes of the wheel. Ara means spoke. Araihi samdharyate, samyak dharyate is held nicely. What is held up nicely? The hub of the wheel. You know, if you look at a cycle wheel or bicycle wheel or any wheel, the wheel is strengthened, the hub is strengthened because of the spokes. So araihi nabhihi samdharyate, samyak dharyate, samyak nabhihi धृता भवति. नाभिः इति इकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः श्रीनिवास.
Yes.
मति शब्दवत्. So नाभिः संधृता भवति अरैः. So the hub is held up or is held properly by with the help of the spokes. Next. चाराः नाभौ प्रतिष्ठिताः. चाराः. चारः चारौ चाराः. चारः means here gamanani, the movements of the wheel. Chara. Here chara does not mean what we have earlier studied as a gudachari, a spy. No, here it's not spy. Charaha, the movements of the wheel. Gamanani. Chakrasya gamanani charaha. Nabhau pratisthitaha. Where are the movements of the wheel dependent on? They are pratisthitaha means they are fixed on the hub of the wheel. See, hub is supported by the spokes and the movement is fixed on the hub. Movement of the wheel. Nabhau charaha pratisthitaha. Gamanani pratisthitani. What is fixed, dependent on the hub, the movement of the wheel. So the poem is going to tell us how one thing is dependent on the other for running the show. Next line. Swami Sevakayoho. That is the thing. The relation between Swami and Sevaka. Swami, Swaminaha Sevakasya Dvayoho कीदृश संबंधः भवति अत्र वर्णितः. अरैः सह नाभेः संबंधः. नाभेः प्रतिष्ठानं तत्र. नाभौ चाराणां प्रतिष्ठापनं. The dependence of the movement on the hub being held up by the support of the spokes. स्वामी सेवकयोः मध्ये योः मध्ये एतयोः द्वयोः स्वामिनः सेवकस्य स्वामी सेवकयोः एवं वृत्तिचक्रं प्रवर्तते. The वृत्तिचक्रं means the wheel of government. Vritti, wheel of state, wheel of governance or government between the king and his servant. Pravartate, goes on like this. So the Swami is dependent on the Sevaka. Sevaka is dependent on the Swami. And this dependence is likened, compared to a wheel where the movement is possible because of the hub, and the hub is dependent on the spokes. So there can be no hub without the spokes. There can be no movement of the wheel without the hub. So evameva swamina vina sevakah na bhavitum arhati, sevakena vina swami api kimapi kartum prabhavati. Etayoh dvayoh avinabhava sambandhah vartati. Ekah anyasya upayuktah bhavati. Iti katane ayam slokah. So that is the interdependence. The poem outlines the interdependence of one person on the other. We are talking about Swami Vatsalya here. How king should be kind to his servants, faithful servants. That is we are what. Okay, grammatically you know everything. Chara shabda is pullinga shabda, motions. Charaha, charau, charaha. Pratisthita is a verb. Pratisthita is a tanta verb. Adharita, you can say, pratisthitaha are acquired. Charaha pratisthitaha means motions are acquired by in the nabhi. Nabhav, you understand that word?
Yes.
In which case? Saptami. Like matau, mati shabda, nabhihi, matihi, matim, matya, matyai, matihi, matyaha, matyam, matau. We have two forms, matau, matyam, ikaranta strilinga shabda. Nabhau, in the hub, nabhau, saptami ekavachana.
This is passive or is it sandharyate?
Samdharyate is passive.
And Araihi is Tritiya.
Arai is Tritiya.
What is the Prathama Ekavachana?
Araha, Arashabda, Araihi, Araha, Arau, Araha, Aram, Arau, Aran, Arena, Arabhyam, Araihi, Araihi, Araihi. Araha spoke. स्वामी सेवकयोः एवं वृत्ति चक्रम वृत्तेः चक्रम वृत्ति चक्रम द व्हील ऑफ गवर्नेंस और द व्हील ऑफ वृत्ति मीन्स हियर द गवर्नेंस चक्रम यू नो चक्रम प्रवर्तते प्रवर्तते गोज ऑन चलति आत्मने पद दैट इज नॉट पैसिव प्रवर्तते नाम चलति प्रचलति वृत्ति स्वामी सेवकयोः वृत्ति चक्रम प्रभुत्व चक्रम एवं प्रवर्तते एवं चलति प्रचलति इति ओके वी कैन टेक द नेक्स्ट वन
वृत्त्यः स एव सुश्लोको नापत्तौ स्वामिनं
त्यजेत्
स्वामी स एव विज्ञेयो भृत्यार्थे जीवितं
त्यजेत् शुक्रनीति भृत्यः पदच्छेद
वृत्त्यः स एव
सुश्लोकः न प्लस आपत्तौ दैट इज सवर्णदीर्घ संधि न आपत्तौ नापत्तौ स्वामिनं त्यजेत् स्वामी स एव विज्ञेयः भृत्यार्थे जीवितम् oh so again there are only few sandhis here सुश्लोकः 1 न आपत्तौ 2 विज्ञेयः 3 त्रयः सन्धयः अत्र वर्तन्ते एवं संधि विच्छेदं कृत्वा अनन्तरम् अर्थं बोद्धुं वयं यतामहे भृत्यः नो स एव भृत्यः दैट इज द टेक्स्ट स एव भृत्यः ही इज ओनली द सर्वेंट स एव भृत्यः कः एव भृत्यः स एव भृत्यः सुश्लोक स एव सुश्लोकः भृत्यः स एव अन्वयार्थ सुश्लोकः भृत्यः ही इज ओनली द फेमस सर्वेंट सुश्लोक मीन्स फेमस पॉपुलर फेमस वन ज्ञातः सुज्ञातः स एव सुज्ञातः भृत्यः हु इज दैट वेल नोन फेमस सर्वेंट नेक्स्ट भृत्यः स्वामिनं आपत्तौ न त्यजेत या यू कैन इनकॉर्पोरेट आई मीन ब्रिंग इन द रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन या स एव सुश्लोकः भृत्यः यः अंडरस्टूड यः हु स्वामिनं आपत्तौ न त्यजेत he who does not would not leave his master in adversity यः अंडरस्टूड अधिगतं पदं स्वामिनं आपत्तौ न त्यजेत यः भृत्यः स्वामिनं आपत्तौ आपत्तौ नाम आपदि आपत्ति शब्दः इफ यू टेक आपत् शब्द दकारान्त आपद् आपदौ आपदः आपदि यः भृत्यः स्वामिनं प्रभुं तस्य प्रभुं आपदि न त्यजेत आपत्तौ न त्यजेत नाम आपदि न त्यजेत संकटे न त्यजेत आपत्तौ संपदि संकटे कष्टकाले न त्यजेत one who does not leave his master in bad times he is really the famous he is a good or famous servant next line स एव स्वामी स एव स्वामी he is only a master as we said in the first part स एव सुश्लोकः भृत्यः स एव स्वामी he is really the master विज्ञेयः स एव विज्ञेयः master I mean स्वामी विज्ञेयः well known विज्ञेयः means again सुश्लोकः same thing विज्ञेयः विशेषेण ज्ञेयः he only is to be known well is a popular master who yaha understood again bhrutyartham yaha bhrutyarthe here bhrutyarthe or bhrutyartham also you can make it over here bhrutyasya arthe भृत्यस्य अर्थे फॉर द सेक ऑफ द सर्वेंट सेवकस्य कृते भृत्यार्थे जीवितं त्यजेत. He is only the most well known master, famous master, who will be ready to give up his life for the sake of his servant. Yaha swami bhrutyarthe jeevitam tyajet. If the servant is ready to give up, if the servant does not leave the master in bad times, the swami is ready to give his life for the servant. So that is how the Shukra says. So wonderfully said. So any master should have a most Mr. Dependable servant. If once the king or the master has a dependable servant, then that is a good combination. Is it okay? Saeva Vigneyaha Swami. He only should be known, Vigneya. He should be known as Swami, who Yaha Bhrutyartham Jeevitam Tyajet. May give up. Here Tyajet means may give. One who is ready, who is willing to give up his life for the sake of the servant. So other words are very simple. Bhrutya, you know. Saeva, very simple. Suslokaha. Vignataha na apattau vipadi swaminam. Swami Shabda is used in Prathama and Dvitiya here. Swamin Shabda, Swami, Swaminam, both are there. Swami is Prathama, Swaminam in the first line is there. Swaminam na tyajet, na tyajati. Sa eva vigneyaha swami yaha bhrutyartam sevakarthi jeevitam tyajet. Tyaktum ichet. Tyajet nama tyaktum ichet. So that is the end of Sambandha Sloka. We go to Pancha Ashititama Sloka.
Atma iva bhrutyaha
Anukampyaha. A servant must be looked after like his own self. A master should look after. He should be taken care. Anukampyaha here means he should be well taken care or shown. Anukampya means he should be looked after, well looked after, like one's own self. A servant should be well looked after like one's own self, with all compassion. Anukampya means with compassion. Compassionately, a servant should be looked after like your own self with compassion. Anukampa is daya. Anukampa means daya. Anukampaya Sahitaha Anukampyaha. Here Anukampyaha. He should be. Yes. Next.
Abhiprayam yo viditvatu bhartrutu sarvani karyani karotya tandrihi.
There is a mistake here. Atandrihi. Visarga is not necessary. Atandri only. Guni, like Gunin Shabda, Atandrin Shabda. Atandri.
Karotya tandri. Vakta hita namanurakta aryaha shaktigya atmaivahi
sonukampyaha. So that is what it is taken. Anukampyaha. Last word is given in the caption. Atma iva bhrutyaha anukampyaha. Padachedam.
Abhiprayam yaha
Viditvatu
bhartrutu sarvani karyani karoti
Atandri.
Vakta hitanam anuraktaha aryaha shaktignaha atma ivahi
Sa anukampyaha. Saha atma ivahi anukampyaha. He is fit to be looked at with compassion. Fit to be looked at with compassion. Pitied. Fit to be pitied. Anvayartham?
Yaha atandrihi bhartruhu abhiprayam viditva sarvani karyani karoti hitanam vakta anuraktaha aryaha shaktignaha sa atma iva anukampyaha.
So going by the Anvayartha, Yaha Sevakaha Atra Bhrutyaha Yaha Nama Yaha Bhrutyaha Sevakaha Atandri न तंद्रः अतंद्रः अतंद्रः अस्य अस्ति इति अतंद्रीन् one who has no tandra means laziness tandra one who has no laziness is called a very active person, right? Tandra is laziness, Srinivas. Tandra strilinga tandra na na tandra yasya saha also you can say atandrin na tandra. Atandri is there, na tandra yasya saha atandrin, one who has no laziness, he becomes atandrin. So atandri prathama ekavachana, like gunin, gunaha asya asti iti gunin. This is tadita, we will read in the next book how nouns are derived from nouns. Tadita prakarana is there. So atandri is derived from that na tandra yasya saha atandraha. So that is what na tandra yasya saha atandraha atandraha asya asti iti atandrin. Two steps are there. One who has no laziness, first of all, na tandra yasya saha atandraha, one who has no laziness is atandraha. And a person also atandraha asya asti iti, he who is possessed of this non-laziness is called atandrin. Okay, going with that. Now yaha atandri,
Visarga is not there also.
visarga is not there, atandri. जागरूकः यः जागरूकः भर्तुः स्वामिनः अभिप्रायं विदित्वा, having known the opinion of his master, भर्तुः स्वामिनः अभिप्रायं विदित्वा ज्ञात्वा, यः सेवकः अतन्द्री भूत्वा आलस्यरहितः, यः सेवकः आलस्यरहितः सेवकः यः भवति, यः पुनः भर्तुः तस्य भर्तुः स्वामिनः अभिप्रायं मतं विदित्वा ज्ञात्वा सर्वाणि कार्याणि करोति. That active servant, not that lazy, but that active servant who, having known the opinion of his master, does all the works. Bhartuhu abhiprayam viditva gnatva sarvani karyani karoti. Sarvani karyani karoti bhartuhu. He who does all the works of his master, having known his opinion, being active, condition is atandri bhutva. Hitanam vakta. Not only that, he performs all the activities of the master. Na kevalam bhartuhu abhiprayam gnatva sarvani karyani karoti iti na. Anyaha api gunaha tatra vartate. Etadrushasya bhrutyasya hitanam vakta. Hita vakta. Yaha punaha hitameva vakti. One who speaks only the good things. Only speaks about the good things of the king. Bhartu. Bhartuhu hitam vakti. Ataha hitanam vakta. One who is a speaker of all good things. Anuraktaha swamini yaha anuraktaha vrutyaha. Yaha vrutyaha swamini anuraktaha. That is servant who is deeply interested in the master. Attached, or you can say who is attached to the master. Anuraktaha. Anuraga shabda, from that you get anurakta. Anuranja, rakta is, this is ktanta, passive ktanta. Anuranja ktanta we have studied, na? Gamgata. So anuraktaha, swamini anuraktaha yaha, one who is deeply attached, involved, drawn. Aryaha, gentleman, one who is a gentleman. Shaktignaha, yaha bhrutyaha punaha swashaktim janati. Shaktim janati iti shaktignaha, one who knows his capacity. Bhrutyaha tadrusha bhrutyaha yaha swashaktim janati. one who knows his capacity. Shaktignaha, Shaktim janati iti Shaktignaha. Sa means Saha Bhrutyaha. Tadrushaha Bhrutyaha Atma iva Anukampyaha. He should be pitied. He should be looked after by the king with pity and compassion like his own self. Because rarely you find such people in Kali Yuga. We can say that, Kali Yuga. Saha tadrushaha bhrutyaha atma eva swamiva, like one's own self. Anukampyaha anukampaya drastavyaha. Anukampyaha nama anukampaya drastavyaha. He should be looked after with compassion and pity. He is fit to be pitied and looked after with compassion. So anything more here? Bhavartha you can read with this.
Yaha sevakah swaminah abhiprayam jnatva alasyam parityajya.
That is, so atandri means alasyam tyaktva parityajya.
Yaha swami hitamevad vadati.
Who always speaks about the good of the master.
Swami bhaktaha.
Swami anurakta means Swami bhaktaha.
Sheelavan.
And a character, man of character.
Swasamarthyam janati.
Shaktignaha swaswamarthyam janati.
Tadrushe
Sevake
yajamanaha atmavat
dayam kuryat. Tadrushe sevake bhrutye yajamanaha swami sada dayam kuryat. He should always show kindness to that sevak. Atmavat dayam kuryat. Like you treat yourself, you treat him with all compassion. So is it any more words which are not covered here? This is only a bhavartha, but text we have explained. Na?
Yes.
This is anukampyaha is a prayoga, yat prayoga, potential passive participle only, like gantavyaha. Anukampyaha means he is fit to be shown compassion. Anukampa ya drastavyaha iti. Atmavad dayam kuryat. Okay, only in English I find one word is missing, Srinivas. Considering him as his own soul, as his own self is better, not soul. A master should look after, some insertion is required. A master should look after compassionately. That word is missing in the translation. Look after compassionately that attendant, that servant who acts as per the master's intentions, and everything is okay. So only they can insert look after there compassionately. Sambadhaha slokaha ekaha dvau trayah chatvaraha. Chatvaraha slokaha satyasya.
Shaktigna meaning is given as knows his own limitations.
He has given that limitation. That is okay. Shaktigna means knowing your capacity. Knowing capacity means knowing your limitations only. That is the extent and meaning of it. That is the right meaning. You know your Shakti means know your, because every man is delimited, limited only. See, we are not unlimited. Who is unlimited? Only Ishvaraha. Sarvam kartum prabhavati. Sa eva sarvam. And if you go into Vedanta, it is not sa also. Tad. Tadejati, tannejati, tad dure, tadantike, etc. So all are conditioned and therefore we are limited. Oh, okay, it's okay. Sambandha slokam patat. Very big, I think, Vidraniti only. Same place.
Vakyam tu yo nadriyate.
Nadriyate nusishta. No. Nadriyate nusistaha.
Nadriyate nusistaha.
Pratyaha
yaschapi
niyujyamanaha. That is slokardam.
Pragnabhimani
Pratikoolavadi
tyajyah satadruk parayaiva
bhrutyaha. Okay, padachedam try.
Vakyam tu yaha
Na adriyate anusistaha. Na adriyate प्लस अनुशिष्टः नाद्रियते अनुशिष्टः प्रति आह प्रत्याह यह च अपि हियर टू संधिज विसर्ग एंड सवर्ण यह प्लस च प्लस अपि यस चापि नो संधि यस प्रज्ञाभिमानी प्रतिकूलवादी नो संधि सह सह तादृक् लाइक दैट त्वरया एव वृद्धि त्वरया एव त्वरयैव भृत्यः सेवकः तादृक् भृत्यः त्वरयैव त्याज्यः. Now Vidura is telling again in this poem, immediate poem coming after that, main poem. So here the Anvayartha you take Srinivas. First line, Yaha, open with Yaha, Yo, Yaha, Yaha Bhrutyaha understood, that servant. Then second word should be Anusishtaha, being ordered. Ajnaptaha, Anusishtaha naam Anushasa, verb is there, Anusishtaha, Ajnaptaha, Adishtaha, let us take. Anusishtaha naam Adishtaha, Adisha. Yaha sevakaha Adishtaha na, then second word, Vakyam, Yaha Anusishtaha Vakyam na Adriyate, that is the order Srinivas. Yaha Bhrutyaha Sevakaha Anusishtaha Api, though being Api is not there, na? Yeah, we can bring in. Anusishtaha Api, though ordered, Swamina understood by the master, Vakyam na Adriyate, he does not care for the words. That servant who being ordered does not care for the master's words. Yaha sevakaha prabhuna swamina anusishtaha adishtaha sannapi, even though he is ordered by the master, swamina prabhoho vakyam na adriyate, vakyam na ganayati. He doesn't care for the words of his master, though being ordered by the master. Getting it?
Yes.
And okay, not caring for the words, being ordered, that is one thing. On the contrary, pratyaha, he speaks against the master. Prabhum prati aha, pratyaha, he speaks against the master. Yaha, that is, yaha cha pratyaha niyujyamanaha api. And second line, yaha niyujyamanaha api, though appointed for the work. Yaha sevakaha pratyaha prabhuna swamina niyujyamanaha niyuktaha api, though he is appointed for that work. Pratyaha, he replies him. He speaks against him. Then third line, Pragnabhimani, and that servant Yaha Bhrutyaha, Pragna Abhimani, one who is very conceitful, one who is very arrogant about his intelligence. Pragna Abhimani, Pragna, how you understand this? Pragnayaha Abhimanaha, pride of one's Pragna, intelligence. Pragnabhimanaha. Pragnabhimanaha asya asti iti pragnabhimanin. This fellow has that. What is this fellow has? Asya bhrutyasya sa gunaha vartate. Kidrusha gunaha? Abhimana gunaha. Kasya abhimanaha? Pragnabhimana gunaha. Pragnayaha abhimanaha pragnabhimanaha. Pragnabhimana asya asti iti. This person has that pride of his intelligence. He is very proud of his intelligence. So therefore he is called Pragnabhimani, a proud fellow of his, not ordinary servant he is with brain. Therefore, prajna abhimani, who has got a lot of pride in his prajna, pratikulavadi, not anukulavadi. He always speaks against the master. Pratikulameva viparitameva anuvadati. Viparitavadi, he always speaks against the master. So what should the king do? If there is a servant who is very intelligent and who is very proud of his intelligence and counters the king, never does what he is told to do and what he is appointed to do, how should such servant be dealt with? So the last line says, Tyajyaha sa tadruk bhrutyaha. Tadruk bhrutyaha means tadrushaha bhrutyaha. Such a servant, tyajyaha, tvaraya eva tyajyaha. Tadruk bhrutyaha, Srinivas. Tadruk bhrutyaha, such a servant, tadrushaha sevakaha bhrutyaha, tvarayaiva, shigrameva, tyajyaha tyaktavyaha. Tyajyaha nama tyaktavyaha. Such a servant should be immediately forsaken, given up. He should be immediately got rid of. You should get rid of him immediately. Don't entertain such a arrogant and disobeying servant. Arrogant and disobeying, that is the word. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this poem speaks about there may be some servants who are very intelligent and who speak against the king and who never care for the king's words. That is the first word. Yaha sevakaha bhrutyaha anusishtaha adishtaha sannapi vakyam prabhoho vakyam swaminaha vakyam na adriyate. Now here the word adriyate means that is a word Adarana, you know what? Adru, there is a dhatu, adru, to respect. This is Atmanepada, not passive voice. Adriyate. Adriyate means adarana. Adaranam na prakatayati. One who does not respect. So, adarana comes from this, adru shabda. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So on this we have done yaha cha api niyujyamanaha niyuktaha prajnabhimani pratikula. So these two words are derivative words, Srinivas, like I told you. Pratikulam, pratikula vadaha asya asti iti pratikula vadi. One who has an argument against, that therefore is called like nyayavadi. Nyayasya vadaha asya asti iti nyayavadin. One who speaks, argues for justice, like that pratikulavadi. And tyajyaha is a potential passive participle which we have studied. Tyajyaha yat tyaktavyaha. If you take tavya, tyaja dhatu only involved there. Tyaja plus yat, tyajyaha. And then what is more? Tvaraya. Tvara shabda is, tvara, we have already come up. It is akaranta strilinga shabda. Tvara, like tvara nashayate karyam. We have a saying, subhashita. Tvara nashayate karyam means hurry spoils the work. Hurry bury. English also very rhymingly they have put it. Hurry buries you. If you hurry yourself, then it will bury you. So tvaraya, this is trutiya. Tvaraya eva, quickly only, shigrameva, tadrushaha bhrutyaha, tadruk bhrutyaha, tyajyaha. Okay, you can take next.
Yeah, second answer. Sara paricheta swami bhrutyasya durlabhaha anukulaha shujir dakshaha prabho
Bhrutyopi durlabha. This Subhashita Ratna Bhattagara gives different version of the Swami Sevaka. Sara paricheta. Sara asara paricheta. Sara plus asara. Sara means Essence, one meaning is essence. Asara means no essence. Sara here we take as a strong point and weak point. Strong and weak point. Sara plus asara paricheta. Parichetru shabda. Paricheta is one who discriminates, analyzes what is strong and what is weak, or what is meaningful, what is not meaningful. If you take Sara in that sense also. Like we say na, what is the Sara of this poem? Essence. We say na, Sara means essence. Saram. Sara shabda is pulling us. Saraha, asaraha. Na saraha, asaraha. So Sara, Sara. Sara plus asara yoho. Sara asara yoho. Parichetha. This is Prathama Ekavachana. Parichetru. The discriminator, analyzer. Parichetru nama, the analyzer of what is Sara and what is Asara. Understand? Sara asara yoho paricheta. Gnata. Vetta. Paricheta nama vetta. Vetru. Swami. That is the adjective for Swami. Master. What type of master? A master who can discriminate between what are strong points, what are weak points, what are good, what are bad. Bhrutyasya durlabhaha. Now, about whom? Tadrusha Swami yaha bhrutyasya sarasara paricheta asti. A master who can differentiate between the weak and strong points of his servants, of his servant. Durlabhaha. Such a master is very rare to get. Dukkena labdum shakyate. Durlabha. What is impossible to get? Who is impossible to be gotten? That master is rare who can discriminate between the strong and weak points of his servant. That is first line. Okay? Next line. If such a master is rare, then servant also is rare, he says. Next line. Anukulaha shuchihi dakshaha. Hey Prabho, somebody is addressed. Oh Lord, O King. Anukulaha shuchihi dakshaha. Bhrutyaha api durlava. Bhrutyaha anukulaha. But on the other hand, a servant who is very favorable to you. Anukulaha. And then Shuchihi, who is very pious. Dakshaha, who is very capable. Etadrushai gunaihi samyutaha samyuktaha sevakaha bhrutyaha api durlabhaha. A servant with these qualities is also difficult to be found in society. A king who knows the essence and non-essence or the strong and weak points of his servant is rare. Similarly, a servant who is endowed with these qualities, like who is very favorable to the king, master, who is very pure, Shuchihi, who is Dakshaha. Dakshaha means who is capable. Samarthaha. Dakshaha nama Samarthaha. Sevakaha. Shuchihi. Putatma. And Anukulaha. Dakshaha. Bhrutyasya durlabhaha. Swami. I'm going to. Bhrutyopi. That is Tadrushaha Bhrutyaha api durlabha. Such a servant is also difficult. Simple poem which outlines that a master is difficult to get such a master and also a servant. Anything more here, Srinivas?
We have to do Sandhi.
You have not done Sandhi?
Saraha, asaraha.
No Saraha. Sara. Asara.
Sara, asara, paricheta, Swami, bhrutyasya, durlabhaha.
That is what I told you. Sara, Sara. Saraha, Asaraha. Sara, Sarau. Sara, Sarayoho, Parichetha. This is how you have to explain. The analyzer, the discriminator between of the essence and the non-essence, or the weak point and the strong point. Like Swami Mrutyasya Durlabhaha. This Mrutyasya should be taken. Mrutyasya Sarasara Paricheta Swami. A king or a master who can discriminate between the qualities of his servant, good and bad or strong and weak points, is rare. That's okay. Next.
Anukulaha.
No Sandhi. Shuchihi.
Dakshaha.
That's all.
Prabho.
He Prabho. Brutyaha api durlabhaha. Shuchihi brutyaha. Anukulaha brutyaha. He Prabho. Etadrusha brutyaha api durlabhaha. It is very difficult to get.
Next.
Sara also you can understand as worthy unworthiness. Is several meanings you can take. Sara. Yes, next poem you can take.
Bhrutyair vina swayam raja lokanugraha karyapi
Mayukhairiva Deeptamshu tejasapi na shobhati. Bhrutyair vina swayam raja lokanugrahakari api mayukhairiva deeptamshu tejasapi na shobhati. So this is also Subhashita Ratna Bhandagara. Padacheda, you can try. Bhrutyaihi vina swayam raja. There you break. Loka plus anugrahakari plus api. First is Savarna. Loka plus anugrahakari plus api. That is Yanadesha Sandhi. Lokanugrahakari api. First is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi and Yanadesha. Lokanugrahakari plus api. Next line. Iva. There, here. Deeptamshuhu. There you break. Deeptamshuhu. Api na shobhati. That is Padacheda. Now go to Anvaya, simple poem. Not necessary. Raja, Bhrutyaihi vina Raja, Swayam Raja, Lokanugrahakari api Raja, like that. Lokanu, that is the first word. Loka anugrahakari api Raja, that is the word. Try to understand. Loka anugrahakari means one who is very what anugrahakari means, very sympathetic. A king who is highly sympathetic to his people. Anugraha is sympathetic one. Loka nama jana. Jana anugrahakari api raja. Even though a king is highly well disposed to the people, well concerned to the people, even though he is very good to the people, compassionate to the people, whatever way. Bhrutyaihi vina Swayam Raja. Okay. Lokanugrahakari api Swayam Raja. A king, though very pleasingly disposed to the people, without the servants, Bhrutyaihi vina na shobhate. Understood here. The second line word is there, na shobhate, na shobhate. That you can take here. I will repeat it. Lokanugrahakari api Swayam Raja Bhrutyaihi vina na shobhati. A king does not shine without his servants, even though he is very good to the people. Understand, Srinivas? Yes. Next line gives one upamana. There is a comparison shown here. Mayukaihi iva deeptamshuhu. दीप्तांशुः मयूकैः
Iva.
मयूकैः इव दीप्तांशुः
Tejasahu.
Here we have to again bring one, Srinivas. Mayuk, what is there? Brutyaihi vina na above line. Similarly here, Mayukaihi vina, Mayukaihi iva. Okay. Okay. He says, now comparison is with the sun. First try to understand this word as Deeptamshuhu. Deeptaha amshavaha yasya saha. The one who has got brilliant rays. The brilliant rayed one, sun. Deeptamshu means hot rayed. Hot rayed, hot rays. Deeptaha amshavaha yasya saha. Deeptamshuhu. Deepta means pradipta, hot. Amshu means kirana. Deepta kiranaha, you can say. Deeptamshu means Deepta kiranaha. The hot rayed sun here. Srinivas. Deeptamshuhu nama suryaha. Let us put Deeptamshuhu nama suryaha. Tejasana shobhate. A sun does not without the mayukaihi iva. Mayukaihi iva deeptamshuhu tejasa api na shobhate. That means even though the sun has lot of tejas, sun cannot shine without the, like the rays without the rays. Rays only take the sun. Mayukaihi iva deeptamshuhu tejasa api na shobhate. Though the sun has tejas, sun needs to shine through the sunlight. Isn't it, Srinivas?
Yes.
So here Mayuka means standing for the sunlight. Sun cannot, though brilliant, cannot shine without the rays. Similarly, a king cannot shine without the servants. Understand?
Yeah.
So that is a comparison. Can we go to next or any doubt here?
Mayukaihi.
Mayuka kirana.
Rays.
Rays. Kiranaihi va, like the sun rays. No, like with the sun rays you have to say. Like with the sun rays, the sun shines, not with his brilliance. Mayukaihi iva suryaha bhati. Yatha mayukaihi iva suryaha bhati. Tatha swami api vrutyaihi bhati. Vrutyaihi eva. Now here the comparison is between sun and the king. Srinivas.
Yes.
Prabhuhu swami surya eva bhavati. Yadi swaminah prakashah bhavet kirtihi tatra prasarayet iti. Katham va prasarayet iti vrutyaihi vina kirtihi na prasarati. Evameva suryasya tatra tejah mahat tejah vartate suryasya. Parantu tat tejah katham va prasarayet kiranaihi eva prasarati. किरणैः प्रसरति सूर्यस्य तेजः अतः किरणैः विना किरणैः इव विना तत्र सूर्यस्य यथा तेजस् न प्रसरणाय प्रभवति एवमेव राज्ञः स्वामिनः श्रीनिवास स्वामिनः स्वामी लोकानुग्रहकार्यपि न भासते न शोभते sevakaihi vina. So the sevaka gana and mayuka gana both are compared here. The sun though brilliant cannot shine without the rays. The king cannot shine without the servants. That is the Is it okay?
Yes.
Next.
Last one. Dhrutyasya va buddhimatah pranashah dhritya pranasho varanam nrupanam nashtapi bhumiti sulabhatma krutya.
This is taken from Hitopadesha Suhrud Bheda. Padacheda? Sorry, no, you read it correct. Not Bhumyekadeshasya.
Bhumyekadeshasya gunanvitasya dhrutyasya va
Buddhimatah pranashah Bhrutya pranasho.
varanam nrupanam nashtapi bhumiti sulabhatma krutya.
Okay. Now Sandhi Cheda. Bhumi ekadeshasya. Guna anvitasya gunanvitasya. Okay, no Sandhi is there. There. Bhrutya pranashah. No. No Sandhi there. Bhrutya pranashah. That is samasa. Bhrutya pranasham, bhrutyasya pranashah. No Sandhi. Bhrutya pranashah. Maranam nrupanam. Nashta api. Na bhrutyaha. What this Hitopadesha Shastra says, Bhumi ekadeshasya. Bhumihi ekadesha. Gunanvitasya bhrutyasya. Okay. Bhumi ekadesha means Bhumyaha ekadesha. One portion of the territory. King's territory. Bhumi nama atra rashtrasya. Bhumehe rashtrasya ekaseshaha. I'm sorry, ekadeshaha. Bhumyaha ekadeshaha, bhumi ekadeshaha. One part of the territory, Srinivas. Of the king. Of course, we are talking about kings only, not paupers. Bhumi ekadeshasya. Bhumi plus ekadeshasya, bhumi ekadesha. There is also sandhi here. Srinivas, if you break. Bhumi plus ekadesha. Bhumi plus A. E plus A becomes A. Ye. Bhumi Yanadesha sandhis. Bhumi ekadeshasya gunanvitasya. These two are adjectival to bhrutyasya. There are two things said here, Srinivas. Yeah. One thing is about Bhumi, another thing is about the servant. Bhumi and servant. So, Bhumi ekadeshasya, when one part of the Bhumi is lost, okay? When there is a loss of a part of the territory. Next, Gunanvitasya Bhrutyasya. When there is a loss of a Bhrutya, a servant who is very meritorious. Kidrushasya Bhrutyasya Gunanvitasya Gunaihi Anvitasya Gunaihi Samyutasya Bhrutyasya Va Buddhimatah Pranashaha. Bhrutyasya Va Buddhimatah Pranashaha. And also a servant who is very intelligent, Buddhimatah. Bhrutyasya Gunanvitasya Buddhimatah Bhrutyasya Va Pranashaha. Either with the loss of a portion of the territory or with the loss of a servant who is meritorious and intelligent. Gunanvitasya Buddhimatah Bhrutyasya Pranashaha Va. Either a loss of a part of the territory or the loss of a servant who is meritorious and also who is gifted with intellect, Buddhimataha. Can we complete this point?
Yeah.
Second line. On the loss, you have to say, on the loss of a part of one's territory, when a king loses a part of his territory, or when a king loses a servant who is very good, Gunanvitam Sevakam, and similarly Buddhimantam Sevakam Yadi Jahati Raja Buddhimataha Bhutyasya Pranashaha Yadi Bhavati, if loss takes place. Bhrutya Pranasho Maranam Nrupanam. Third line says, Nrupanam, to the kings, Bhrutya Pranashaha, Bhrutyanam Pranashaha, Etadrushanam Bhrutyanam Pranashaha, Nashaha Maranameva. If a king loses such a servant, meritorious and intelligent servant, it is death only. There are two things here, Srinivas. Try to understand. Losing of two things, the sloka tells us. Losing of a part of the territory, losing a very talented, merited, intelligent servant. These two are in contrast now. If king loses a part of the territory, he is not losing anything. The sloka says that. Bhrutya pranashaha maranam nrupanam ragnam bhupalanam bhrutya pranashaha maranameva. It is a death to the kings if the king loses such a meritorious servant. Nasta api, though lost, bhumihi, the territory. What's Srinivas? Bhumihi nasta api. Today you lose the territory, Srinivas, in those days. Tomorrow you will again get the territory back. But if you lose a most trusted, meritorious and intelligent servant, you can't get. That is what. Bhumihi nasta api sulabha sukhena labdum shakya. The territory can be easily got back even though lost. But na bhrutyaha. Na bhrutyaha. Bhrutyaha na sulabhaha. Praptum. Punah praptum bhrutyaha na sulabhaha. Yadi nastaha. Therefore, a king should see to the point that he does not lose his meritorious and faithful, intelligent servants. Shubham bhuyat.